Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool one right here, and pretty much what this is like a charging station or power strip from the UGreen brand. For this one in particular, if you see how it does mention that it does have the GaN technology, it does provide guys 200 watts, and it is like a desktop charger. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, if you see inside right there, we do have the product. If you guys do take it out, in the very bottom we do have some more stuff. So let's see what's included. So there is a box in the bottom, if you guys do open it. Inside the box we do have some cable and we do have some stuff. Let's take it all out. So they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here we do have the cable for us to plug it in to actually activate it. And I love how they do provide a strap to organize as well. And the very last thing inside, we do have the USB-C to USB-C cable that's included, which is really nice. So that way you can use it to recharge like a USB-C compatible device, maybe like your laptop, your phone, or anything else. And the cool thing about this cable is the fact that it's nylon braided, so it's very high quality. But if you guys look very carefully on here, it does have the brand name, and it tells you guys there's 5/8 charging speed when you guys do use it. And that is everything that's included in the package. Now we show you the actual charger. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, here's what the part looks like. So you see on the top part right here, we do have the brand name. On this side here, we do have the different output. So there's 4 USB-C option and 2 USB. And it does tell you guys what you guys can use it for each one of them. So the top one allows you guys to use it for your laptop or your phone. Bottom one is only for your phone. But supposedly when you guys use it, it does provide guys power delivery or the quick charging option. They mentioned for the top one, it does provide guys 100 watts charging speed when you guys use one of them at a time. But the total for all of them together is 200 watts max. So that is a lot of power. If you guys turn to the back, that is where some plug-in cable to actually activate it. And then right here at the bottom, if you see on the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And also on the bottom, they do provide the specs for the input and output when you guys do use it. But when you guys do feel the weight of the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it, which is totally understandable since it is a powerful device, since it does provide guys 200 watts speed max. And it also has the GaN technology, so that way the product is much smaller than your typical charging station or wall chargers or even like a power strip. But I do like the color or the design of the product. It looks very nice. So that is everything that's included in the package. Now let's plug in cable to test it out. So I'm gonna use the cable right here. And what I'm gonna do is plug it in. So this side I'm plugging right here. And the other side I'm plugging the wall outlet or power strip or whatever. For this test, I'm plugging this power strip that we do have. And this is also from the UGreen brand. So this is one of the charging station or power strip from the UGreen brand that has 3 USB-C option and 1 USB option. And the max total watts for this is 65 watts. But not only are you guys getting this for this product, but they do give you guys a 2-prong option on top. And they also give you guys 2 of the 3-prong option in the back. And the max power on here is 1875 watts, which is a lot of power. And also for this test, I'm gonna plug in this tester right here to see how much power is being generated when we do use it. So what I'm gonna do is plug in the back. And now we're ready to start testing out. So let's plug in cable. Once you guys do plug it in, and see it start generating a little power on here already, even before we plug anything in. So now let's test it out to see when it actually works. So the first test, I will plug it into my laptop to charge it to see how much power that's being generated when we do use it. As you can see, my laptop right now is completely dead, so we want to charge it. So let's try to use the cable that's included first to see how much power can be generated with this cable. So we have to plug it in. Other side, I'm plugging on the laptop. So because the laptop right now is completely dead, it should provide us a lot of power. So if you see how once we do plug it in, it does provide us 100 watts. So definitely provide us a lot of power when you do use it. Let's try to plug in another USB-C option at the same time and see what happens. So right here, I do have my other MacBook Pro 16-inch, and we'll use Apple cable to plug it in. So let's do plug in the second one. And this side, we'll plug it onto the laptop. So currently we do have 2 cables plugged in to charge both our laptops. So it does provide more than 200 watts at a time, which is really awesome if you guys want to charge 2 laptops at the same time, especially if you guys do have like more than 1 MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop. Let me plug in one more cable to see what happens when we do use it. I'm gonna use this UGreen cable, which is USB-C to Lightning. I'm gonna use it to charge my phone. So let's do plug it in. Other side, will plug it onto the phone. If you see, it does work. If you see how once you guys do plug it in, it does go down a lot. So when you're charging 2 laptops at the same time, it does provide a lot of charge. But once you guys plug in their device like your iPhone or something, it does go down. Let me try to unplug it and see what happens. So we're gonna unplug this one right here. And now we have 2 left. So the number went all the way down and it's slowly going back up again. And now it's going back to 204. So if you guys charge 2 devices at the same time like a laptop, it does provide a lot of power. But once you guys plug another cable to charge like an iPhone or something, it does go down a lot. If you see how it went from 204 to like 170 or 140 something at first, that's really low. So the product definitely does work when you do use it to charge 2 devices at the same time at a max speed over 200 watts. But when you guys plug in more than 3 devices at the same time or anything slower to charge other stuff like not laptop, it does slow down the speed. So whether if you guys plug in 1 or 6 devices at the same time, you do have the option available. So I can see when we do test out the product, it definitely does work. It actually works really well. And just like any other UGreen product, when you guys do use it, it does give you guys a fast charging speed at a safe speed with the built-in protection, which is really nice. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys won't need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality charging station or power strip to charge like a laptop, your phone, or anything else at a max speed on here, which is 200 watts or 100 watts max for each one at a time, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.